Welcome to Bite-Sized Cocktails, where AI meets mixology. Let's craft something incredible. AI says it cracked the code. The perfect Boulevardier, bold, bitter, balanced. No bartender, no instincts, just data. So we asked the obvious question: can a machine outmix a century of human craft? We ran the recipe, no edits, stirred it, sipped it, and put it through a real-world taste test. This is the AI Boulevardier, built by bots, judged by people. Let the showdown begin.
Here's the recipe ChatGPT gave us. 1 1/2 ounces of high rye bourbon, 3/4 of an ounce of Campari, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. Stir with ice for 30 seconds. Strain over a large cube. Garnish with an orange twist. Simple, direct, textbook ratios. Well, on paper. We used bullet for the bourbon, solid structure and rye bite. Campari as called for, sharp and unmistakable. And Martini and Rossi for the vermouth. A richer, deeper profile to keep things from going flat. No tweaks. No make it your own. Just a straight upload of what ChatGPT says is ideal.
Now for context, this isn't some random drink generator. This build was scraped from cocktail forums, blog posts, reviews, probably even bar menu scans. It's a crowdsourced average polished by an algorithm. Sounds smart, but smart is not equal to soulful. Let's talk taste.
First sip, Campari leads, not walks, leads. Right out the gate with a blast of bitterness. It's got that classic orange peel edge, like chewing citrus rind. Dry, sharp, almost tannic. The bourbon tries to support it with spice and sweetness, but it's overpowered. The vermouth, hanging in the background, whispering for balance, but getting drowned out.
And the orange twist? Gorgeous for the eyes, but in flavor, it pours fuel on the bitter fire.
Here's the thing. A great Boulevardier wraps its bitterness in warmth. There's depth, a slow roll of flavor. This AI version, it's got angles, edges. It feels more like a Negroni in cosplay. Bourbon playing dress up, but the Campari still running the show.
Classic builds often go equal parts or push the vermouth just a bit further. That's what brings balance and roundness. But this AI version, it's locked into efficiency. Ratios that look right but don't flex for taste. It's built by statistics, not someone who's ever lingered over a cocktail.
Also worth noting, this is a drink that evolves as it dilutes. Give it 5 to 10 minutes on the rock and you get more nuance. But even then, still bitter forward, still Campari dominant, still demanding.
So, is it good? If you're a die-hard Negroni lover, absolutely. It's assertive, structured, and full of bitter charisma. But if you're looking for smoothness, warmth, that slow sip satisfaction, this ain't it. This is a flex, not a hug.
To be fair, AI didn't give us garbage. It gave us a drink with backbone. But perfect? Perfect requires intuition, a feel for flavor, a moment of restraint. And bots don't do restraint.
So here's your move. Drop a note in the comments if you've ever been Campari'd into submission. Would you remix this? Less Campari, more vermouth, different bourbon? We want to hear your build.
Smash that like. If you're here for more algorithm-approved, bartender-reviewed experiments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it. You clearly like bitter truths.
Stay bold, stay bitter. Cheers. Thanks for joining us for another AI-crafted cocktail. If you had fun, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more bite-sized mixology experiments coming every week. Got a crazy cocktail idea or want to challenge the AI? Drop it in the comments. We might just feature it in the next video. Cheers!